Hi guys, we have already talked with you about prop firms, and actually if you want to learn more, if you are a first time in our channel, YouTube channel, you can learn more about prop firm in our previous videos. And you can subscribe to our channel to learn more about forex market, about indicators and so on. So today we will talk about prop firms and most reliable prop firms in 2025. And I can say because I'm a subscriber in the most communities and most forex traders communities, and according to my own experience, I can say that there are only two most reliable pro firms right now, according to my opinion, which never had any issues with the traders. They are fairly stable. They are paid to their traders stable without any problem, consistently and without any problem. The first one is the 5 stars, and the second one is FTMO. But of course, there are some differences between them, and it depends from what are you looking for. And we will talk. There are actually three important features, differences between them, which we will talk. About what we will talk. Actually, there are four differences. The first difference are the price. According to the price, the 5 stars price is more suitable because let's say 100,000 challenge costs $545, but in the case of FDemo, the price is 540 euros. The same is different about the 10,000. If you're gonna buy 10,000 account in FDemo, it costs 89 euro, but in the case of 5 stars, it costs $78. So if we are talking about price, I guess the price of 5 stars, the price challenge price in the 5 stars case is more suitable. The second is about the challenge and the goal of the challenge. All I guess higher stakes challenges by the 5 stars. The first target is 88% and the second target is 5%. So it means overall you need only 13% to pass the challenge and to get your funded account. In the case of FTMO, and the first target is, let's say, for the $10,000. Yeah, for the $10,000 you have to gather first 1,000 or 10%, and the second stage you have to gather 500 or 5%. It means in the case of FTMO you have to gather 15% to pass the challenge and to get fund. So in the case of the 5 stars you need little bit 2% less than in the case of FTMO. This feature is also for the 5 stars. The third one, I'm actually trading with the both of them, and I can tell you about according to my own experience. During the midnight, the spread from the 5 stars is a little bit longer than the spread by the FTMO. That's a very important feature. If you are a swing trader and you leave the trades into midnight, actually as I do, because for me it's important to achieve my goal than to close the trade before midnight. So the spread is very important part. So you have also take it into account that in the case of FTMO, spreads are less than in the case of 5 stars. And fourth one, according to FTMO, what is also important, as the 5 stars says, they are using actually they are actually using the real account. Actually, after you get a funded account, you will get a real fund and you will trade already with a real fund. But in the case of the FDMO, you get the funds from the simulated trading platform. So it means that you will trade with the uh, let's say with the demo account. I don't know how it's important for you because actually money is money in any case, and if you get the money and if the company pays you, it's not so important. But anyway, I guess that for someone from someone it will be also very important. Okay, so that's important features of the trading program. So if you want to buy a challenge, I will highly recommend you to choose between after one and the 5 stars. What about most important features differences between them? I have already told you that the first is the prices for favor of the 5 stars. The profit target is also for the favor of 5 stars. The spread is for the favor of FTMO. And finally, I cannot decide for which firm favor is it, but FTMO is on simulated account. In the case of FTMO, you will get a simulated account, but in the case of the 5 stars, you will get a real fund. Good luck.